Good day guys, Ben here. Today we're going to model some skylights. So this is from inside. So you can see that there are some void in the ceiling, and also you can see some windows there. So so this is from outside. Okay, so these are roughly the shape of those skylights, triangular shape. Okay, so let's start. And also this is roughly the model. So from inside you will see the opening to the ceiling, and also where's my window? Here. Sorry, I forgot to cut the hole, so you cut roof, and then you will see the windows. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first let's create a seating based family. So we are going to start from this generic model, Okay, so first let's create two reference plane. So dimension, and select these two dimensions to create a parameter. Let's call it W. Okay, so these two dimensions will be the width of these two edges. Okay, so now if we create a reference line from this to here, so this reference line will be this edge. Okay, so now first we're going to create a opening. So this opening will cut a hole in the ceiling. So opening, pick line, pick this reference line. So check this lock. Okay, so reference plane, DI, trim, TR, trim them, and finish it. So now if you go to 3D views, you will see there's an opening in this ceiling. Okay, go back to the ceiling plan. So now let's just HH this opening. So now we are going to let's just HH the ceiling as well. So now we can only see these reference planes and the reference lines. So we are going to add two more reference planes. So RP, another one here, and dimension and dimension. So these are for the thickness of so if you look at this, so this will be a wall. Okay, so a wall here and also a wall here, and actually there will be a wall here go up as well, but in this wall there will be a window. So go back here. So we're going to add another reference line. Okay, so create. So first, before I add this reference line, just set word plan and pick plan. Okay, pick this reference line and then add another reference line. So start roughly here and the same length. Okay, so and let me think. Yep, so we need to add a dimension as well. So let's select 1, 2, 3, create a thickness. So let's call it TH. So now we can create this shape. So this shape. Okay, so create extrusion, pick line, lock. So reference line, reference plan, and TR, and finish. So go to front view, and you will see this is the geometry we just created. So we need a reference plane. So this will be the height. So dimension from this ceiling level to this, and let's create a height parameter. So this will be the height from ceiling to here. Okay. So now drag this up to this reference plane and lock it. So now let's have a look in 3D view. So this is the shape. Okay, and also you will see this shape. So I'll change to SD. Okay, shade, and it's not very clear. Maybe just change it back to hidden line HL. So you will see it's actually overlapping. So this face, see. So maybe we can just lift this up a little bit. So for example, lift it up, so you won't see that overlapping issue anymore. Okay, so now let's also add a top to it, add a lid to it. Okay, so go to ceiling plan. So I'm going to just HH this geometry first, and then create extrusion, pick line. So lock, reference line, reference plane, trim, TR. And so let's go to front view. So this time I'm going to set a plan, pick a plan. Okay, pick this. Hang on, what's going on here? So let me just cancel this, finish it. So now with this one, so still selected. So this one, if I change to WF wireframe, so you will see I have this one selected. Okay, selected, and then edit work plan, pick a plan. Okay, pick this reference plan. So now it will goes up, and then I'll just type in 200, so it will become a 200 thickness. And also this geometry will follow this. So if I change the height for this, it will go up, because this the work plan of this geometry is this reference line. Oh, sorry, reference plane. Okay, so let's go back to 3D view, and then we can join the geometry. So you won't see the line between these two geometries. Now we need to create an opening here. So go back to front view. So add to reference plane. So okay, so this one. So first one, we just need to add dimension to them. So, and this one will be the let's call it offset 1. Okay, so this is the offset from the ceiling level to the window, the sill height, the sill of the window. Okay, and this will be the head of the window. So we're going to offset it from the top. So let's call it offset 2. And okay. So now we're going to create a void to cut a hole. So go to ceiling plan again. So let me just HH this one. Yep, good. So create void, extrusion, pick line, lock. It will be, let's pick this reference line and also this reference line. Okay, so now I'm just going to connect them and go to front view and finish it. So drag this to this reference plane, lock, drag this to this reference plane and lock. So now if we go to 3D view and just it's not automatically cutting the solid, but that's fine. Let's just cut it. Okay, so cut, and that's it. So now if we change the height, so for example I'll change it to 1200, so you will see this void will follow that. So 1800, and also for the offset. So if I lift this window up, and also if I reduce this offset, so it will go up. Okay, so all good. And also if I change the width of this, the whole skylight, so you will see, yeah, all good. Okay, so the next step, so you can in this looks like there's a frame list, so it's frame, you can't see any frame, but if you need a frame, so you can quite easily use sweep and pick part of this opening, and then you can just edit profile, just create. So I'll roughly draw it like this, and also maybe you can change the size of the frame, something like that. And let's just move. Oops, sorry. Can you see Control Z? Yep. So yeah, you can just roughly model it this way, so as a sweep. So finish it, and that's it. So this frame will follow the opening. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly model the a panel, a glass panel. So I'm going to use extrusion, okay, for this one. So set a plan, pick a plan. Okay, I'm going to pick this face of this frame, and then I'll just use pick line, tab, pick, and then I'm going to type in glass, and I'll offset because I model this frame as 100 depth, so maybe I'll just 45, 55. So finish. Oops, so it looks like we need negative, and if I finish, so you will see I just have one panel centered to the frame with 10 mil thickness. So yep, if I change the shade SD, so you will see the color of the glass material. So okay, so now what's next? Okay, so let's have a look at this image. So there are some little canopies there, so we can, let's do it. So first go to ceiling plan. So I'm going to just hide everything here, so HH. Okay, so only show these reference lines and the reference plans. So this little canopy, so we're going to create it as a blend. Okay, so blend. So first, the first shape will be, so pick line. It will start, so this is external face, so it will start from this face. So let's look at, okay, so, and then it will go up to, I think it will go up to this point, and then go out perpendicular to this line, and I'll just roughly draw it. Okay, so this way, and then another one will start from here, up perpendicular, trim, 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 and because I'm not sure about the depth, so I'm going to just add a dimension to it, so I can change it. I'll create a new parameter. Let's call it W3. Okay. So this is one of the profiles. So once finished, just click on this edit top. So we just need another one. So pick line. So the other one, we're still going to pick this reference line. So see this one. And we also, this time we're going to create a very small profile, so skinny profile, so like this, and trim and trim here. So now if I go to front view, finish this blend, and then we just need to it's current here. Maybe we can set the work plan. So have this little canopy selected, and then edit work plan and pick plan. Okay, pick this. So it will go up to here. So now we can just try to drag this down, lock to this reference plane, and the top will lock it onto this reference plane. So now if we go to 3D view, so that's it, and it looks like nope. We need to adjust the depths. So let's go to family types, because we created this W3. Why do I name it W3? Anyway, so if I change it to 200, apply, yeah, that's better. Okay, so now let's have a test in a project. Okay, so let's go create a new project, and so draw some wall, WA, place a ceiling here, and also place a roof. So I'm going to just place it, place a flat roof. Attach, go to 3D view. So now this is a building with a flat roof. Okay, so of course you won't have a real flat roof. You will always have some slope for drainage. So actually, let me change the ceiling height. So maybe I'll make it 3.9, maybe 3.6. So there will be some space between the roof and the ceiling. Okay, so now let's place. Let's go back this family, load it in. So because it's a ceiling based, it can only be placed onto ceiling. So if you don't have a ceiling, you can't place this family. Okay, so place it on the ceiling. So you will see it automatically cut a hole in the ceiling, but it won't cut roof. Let me change it to shade SD. So you will see that's the roof. That's a roof. It won't cut the roof. So we need to add another void. Okay, so let's go back to this family. Go to ceiling plan. So let's just HH this as well. Now we need a void to cut the roof. So let's create extrusion, a void extrusion, and pick line. Pick this reference line, reference plane, trim, and trim. So finish this void, go to front view. So okay, so we just need to drag this. So I'm going to start so the current work plan is reference line. So actually I'm going to just change it to ceiling reference plan, so I can start from maybe from 0, so ceiling level, and up. Let's go up to the top here. Should be enough. Okay, actually I think you only need a void to this height, but yeah, that should be fine to go up to the top. So let's have a look in 3D view. So for this void, you need to make sure it's not cutting anything. Okay, so when you see this orange color, so when it's showing orange, let me show you where the void. Let me just hide. Oops, sorry, Control Z. So yeah, it's a little bit hard to see, but you can see the line here. So this is the line of this void. When it's not cutting anything, it will show as a orange color shape, and if it's cutting anything, it will be invisible. Okay, so for this for this, because we are going to use this one, we can't cut, we must make it, sorry, how to say, you can't cut anything, use this void. Okay, you can't cut anything. So check this one, check the cut with void when loaded, and then load this into the project. So override. So now you won't see any difference, but if you use cut and pick the roof, so let's go pick the roof, and then, oh sorry, wrong one, this is not roof. Pick the roof and then pick this family, so it will cut a hole in this roof. See? Okay, so that's it. And of course we need to increase the height, so 2400 maybe. Yeah, I think it's okay. Maybe 21. No, 24 is better. So also we need to increase the seal height of this window. Maybe let's offset 900. Apply. Yeah, that's better. So, and also if you want to, you can adjust the top. So you can lower the top, or 400, and the overall width or the size and thickness of those walls, and that's it. Okay. Oh hang on, looks like it's not, something's not right here. Looks like when I create this profile of the blend, I think probably I didn't constrain it, so let's fix it. So go edit family. We need to select that. Okay, let's just type HR, so we show everything here, and select this blend. So let's edit top. Select this one. I'm not sure which one's the issue. I think it's top. So what we're going to do is I'll just AL tab, try to select the reference line. Okay, so reference line, yeah, this one, and then pick this sketch and then lock. So now let's load this, let's finish this and load this into the project and see what happens. Yeah, all good. Okay, so, and then, so if, let's go to ceiling plan, and you can select it, you can use space to rotate it, or you can also go to family. So if you don't like it to go that way, you can also add the control. So for example, double vertical, double horizontal, and load it back. So this time you can select to let's mirror that way. Let's mirror that way. Yeah, I think so. Hang on. Let's. If you don't, also if you want to mirror using the centers of this family, you can do this. So I'll just create a reference line here, reference line. Oh, sorry, reference plane here, reference plane here. Dimension it, and equal, and dimension it. Hang on. Yeah, dimension it, and equal, and then select these two, so you can define origin. Okay, so let's try load this back and try again. So you will see this time when you click on this, it will mirror along this center line. Okay, so So previously it would go all the way to there. Okay, so that's it. So then you can what's the width of this one? 1.5. So if I copy 1.5, sorry, the actual size, there will be the thickness. Because of the thickness, it will be, maybe I'll just move them another 500. Yeah, so you can, now you can just create some seating with these skylights, and then you can adjust, you can change, you can use this mirror to create different patterns on the ceiling. Let's try space. If yeah, you can use space. It's quite nice. Let's do this 4 meter space. Okay, so let's go have a look in 3D view. So you still need to cut the hole in the roof, so you will see there's no holes. And it's too close to each other. Maybe we need to increase the spacing, but that's fine. Let's just cut the hole. So you just click on the roof and click on these families. Oops. I click the wall again. Okay. I think that's it. So can we have some lights into the, I'll just delete this wall. Maybe we need to rotate the window so it's all facing the north if it's Australia. Yep. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Yes, all facing north. That's better. How about this? Yeah. Instead of increase the spacing, let's just make it smaller. Yeah, that's better. Okay, see you. Bye.